I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing both the reference and recorded audio into the playlist. Make sure the project's BPM and sample rate match the reference to prevent timing drift. Next, place the reference on its own track and add a marker at a clear transient so you have a fixed alignment point. This reduces ambiguity later. Once done, mute other channels and zoom into the waveform so you see transients clearly. Because precise visual alignment saves time and ensures accurate sync. You now align the recorded track to the reference using precise drag with snap-off or set to line, so you can place transients at sample-level accuracy. Then use the stretch tool to time stretch sections that run early or late. This preserves pitch while fixing timing. For tricky spots, open Edison, cut and nudge tiny regions, and crossfade edits to avoid clicks. Make sure to listen looped while adjusting, because iterative small tweaks will yield a natural, locked performance. You finish by consolidating the synced audio, render or consolidate the clips so your edits are permanent and CPU-friendly. Then verify phase and latency. Solo both files, and if you hear comb filtering, use track delay or plug-in compensation to correct milliseconds of offset. If you notice drift over long takes, recheck sample rates and, if needed, slice into smaller regions and re-stretch. This local approach fixes gradual misalignment. If problems persist, return to your reference marker and repeat focused adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.